The Rich and Ann show. It kind of hails out. We're
all wet.
Yes, we are. Thank you, Kaylin. But our party got wet. That's Rich. Yeah. We got hailed on.
Yeah. Let's introduce Connor the comedian.
All right, Connor the comedian. Can you please stand up? Please. Oh, thank you for sharing. This is Connor the comedian.
Yo.
Oh.
I got a ukulele.
He does. He got a ukulele. How freaking amazing is that? Hey Sam. Hey. And then this is Jack Manziam. Say hi. Yeah, we actually hang out with him. Oh my God, he's like a celebrity on YouTube. So, anyways. Okay, so Kaylin, what do you want to show our viewers?
It's on my birthday, August 11th, 1999. Except I was born on 1996.
Kaylin's birthday, and except that's Cher.
I know, that's Cher. Except she played on my birthday.
Oh wow.
Dedicated.
Wow, impressive.
Yeah, I'm here.
Hi, Justin. He's bouncing up and down. Bouncing up and down. Hi, Taylor. Okay. Hey, Alex. That's my brother, Alexander Walgren.
And I'm your BFF.
Yeah, that's my BFF. Justin Morrison, my lover. What's up? And oh my God, Connor the comedian and Rich playing a game. What is this? Ooh, Connor gets frisky. Wow, that is pretty hot. Oh, that's sexy. Oh yeah. No, I'm just kidding. That's kind of rough. Gosh, shut up. What? Why? What friend?
Come, let's just run through the rain.
I don't want to go. I want to stay. Okay, Justin, text me when you want to hang out again, okay?
Oh, I'm gonna come back.
Okay, text me when you come, okay? Okay, bye. Justin.
I'm only gonna spend like 10 minutes there.
Your
I'm gonna come back after.
Your BFF, that's me, loves you. I would do a heart, but I'm kind of, you know. Okay. And then, that's our heart.
Yeah.
Aww, okay. Bye.
That's a laugh.
And
I wasted $20 to do nothing.
You wasted $20 to be with me. So, and I want you guys to meet Michael Jackson. Hold on, let me get this. Hi, Michael. Hi, guys. What's up? Nothing much. I like little boys. No, I'm just kidding. I like to sing. So bad. So bad. You know it. Oh. Wow. It's my Michael Jackson, which I won fair and square.
Fuck it.
Suck my dick. I mean,
Like a hobo's dick.
You know. Yum, yum, yum.
And are you guys staying here?
Yeah.
Well,
We're going to hang out. Alright, the Rich and Ann show is ending in 3, 2, 1. Say bye, Rich Bell.
Yo.